Hi, I'm Mark from the Cyberbeast, and this week's episode is about the new, perfectly fitting, all-terrain Lasfit liners for your Cybertruck, so stay tuned. And welcome back. Now, many of us, like me, got the Foundation Series truck, and the Cybertruck came with not only carpet mats, but a all-weather mat as well. Well, for those of you who did not get Foundation Series, which is everyone pretty much from November or so onward, everyone now getting these Cybertrucks, you're gonna have to get liners because you don't want to mess up the bottom of your truck. So Lasfit has got a complete kit, goes from frunk all the way to trunk and everything in between. Now, I did not put the frunk liner in, but this is what it looks like. And the reason why is because I have my cargo mat here, which attaches to the bottom. But if I didn't, it goes right here like this. It fits in perfectly, okay? Protects the bottom. And that's the first one of several, actually. So there's the frunk cover. Now we'll follow me around to this side. We've got driver and passenger side right in here. And if you look, we'll get the camera in close, those fit perfectly right around the pedals, all around the sides. The great thing about these is that it's a snug fit. They don't slosh around, right? And that's the one thing I don't like about the carpet. The carpet really sloshes around quite a bit. But this, it's got that all-weather terrain type fit. The passenger side as well, same type of fit. It's durable, and it's going to protect your plastic underneath. Now, the rear seats, I want to make sure I talk to you about these. I want you to see how far back these things really go, okay? So these things go all the way back here, and they go all the way to the front. Again, it's a perfect fit. It goes right on up front there. But the thing I love is it actually goes under the seat, probably 7 to 10 inches. So it really is going to collect all the dust and debris. That's a good 7 to 9 inches right there. So that protects your rear seat. And again, that interior fits snug. Now, about the bed, there's two more pieces back here. One is in your trunk, okay? Now, in my trunk, I keep my Tesla mobile charger, my hitch, a bunch of other things. But this right here on the bottom is your Lasfit liner back here for your trunk. So it goes back there as well. It protects all the bottom storage. Finally is your bed liner. Now, this bed liner that's in place here is the EV base, and I'll show you the difference real quick. If you're Foundation Series, you've got 4 latches down here to go ahead and tie down ATVs, bikes, whatever, right down on here. But the non-Foundation does not have these. So there's a cutout opening right here in the EV base one. But the Lasfit one, show you the Lasfit, it's an identical liner. It fits perfectly. So if you have non-Foundation Series, great, it's gonna go in perfectly. If you have Foundation Series, it has it right here. You just get a razor and you notch it out. All 4 of these gives you the openings for your tie downs. But again, non-Foundation Series, just slide it right in. It's creased right here, so when you open up your trunk, you have no problem there with it. This whole kit came shipped in 2 boxes, and it's great waterproof mats, and these are very, very durable, this plastic. So it's non-slip, very nice corrugated surface. So one thing too, when you get these, you're gonna wanna put these on the ground upside down, because it's folded up in shipment. You want to make sure you get all the creases out and it lies flat. Same thing with the passenger, driver side and rear. Make sure it flattens out from being folded up in shipment. But it's a great accessory for your Cybertruck, and that's my tip for this week. Now please hit like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you again next week.